Hi, this is Ken Lau. Now, in this today's study, I want to share with you what is sensitive analysis. Now, take for example, there is a product that I recently bought. It's called Poppadoms. Okay, it's by Angga Sabah. So I bought it, and I wonder what is the cost structure like. So I created a sensitive analysis based on that, and I also figure I also visited their website and do some research, right? So what is poppadom, right? It's actually come from something called poppadoms, right? In Malaysia, we have this Indian restaurant where we ask for nasi biryani, right? We will also come with the poppadoms, right? So eat together with the nasi kandar is just so delicious. Now, let's talk about that. There is one inventor take this and put it into a canister, right? So then start selling it in the canister, right? So let's just look at Malaysia market itself, yeah. So let's say that we have some online promoter and offline promoter. So there is an online promoter. Let's say per canister that they sell at they're 5 ringgit and 10 cent. So what they have is the cost of making it, the ingredient is say it's 3 ringgit for per cost, right, including the packaging, right, per canister, and then another additional $1.10 is for the promoter, and they recruited hundreds online promoter, and they sell each day at 50 canister per day. So each of them. So in the annually, right, it's 1 million and so on. Right? Let's just, yeah, 1 million. So in terms of unit is that, and then the annual is this one. Okay, so now we combine this offline and online. Okay, so there you can see that the some changes, right? So these are all fictitious data, yeah. So it may be Tesco have their selling, right? I bought this from Tesco, so I thought it could be that, right? So then now we plot this out into this table here, okay? In this table, then there is a Popato show, right? 6 million is could is believable because that you have online and offline. So let's say it's just 6 million, right? And then you the per canister is 5 ringgit and 10 cent, right? So and then we plug in the data right in the middle, and then the numbers above. Let's say we just increase 10 cent, right? 10 cent, and then just because of increase of 10 cent, right? The number of units sold could be lesser, so then it become 1 million. So if it's a 5 ringgit and 10 cent, right? The so this yeah, this number of unit, and then the operating profit will be very different, yeah. So let's look at this. These are 5 million something, right? 5 million. So right is the middle. That is right now the rate is 5 ringgit, and then the 5 ringgit 10 cent, and this is 6 million. So it sell at 6 million canister annually, right? So then you have generated $5 million company. Yeah, just by selling this per canister, 5 ringgit and 10 cent. So factory, maybe the rental cost may not be that cheap and all, right? So let's just talk about that. It's 30,000 per guy, so it's 360 60,000. Okay, this again, right, is the change, right? So now you can see that it's very sensitive here because once you once is the amount is actually, so the factory cost is high, then if the sell at below this price range, right, and you sell below this unique number of unit, it actually can make a loss. But if you sell 5 million, you can make a 5 million units, you can make a 1 million sales operating profit. Okay, this is not including the taxes and that, right? So these are all the very basic assumption. You can include the tax, SST, all this, yeah. So this I just show you what is sensitive analysis. Now, how do I create this thing? Let me just show you. You first created all this date here, all these units sold, and the price here, and then here is your final bottom line. So you just need to click equal, click on this one here, and enter. Okay, so that is a 4 million sales, right? 4 million. 4 million sales, right, is that if you sell at 5 ringgit and 10 cents, and the per one sold is at this one here. So now notice that the unit sold is arranged into row, yeah, arranged into row, unit sold, and the price is arranged in the column, yeah. So price is in the column, unit in the row, yeah. Unit sold is arranged in the row, and the price is arranged in the column. Okay, so now what you can do is that you highlight this and you go to the data tab and you go to what if analysis and you click data table, and the row is that, you see, row is arranged in the, what is arranged in the row is a unit, right? So we go for this unit. So, and the column represent the price. So we go for each unit. So right, and then click OK. And there you go. That is how you create a sensitive analysis. So you can now know that if I sold this at cheaper than that price, then and I get more units sold, right? I can get at this 3 million sales. If I sell at 5, and I might get lesser, maybe 5 million, so I got 2 million. So in between these two, you can do an analysis crazy. This is another ways to analyze your projected sales, something like forecast. Thanks for watching, and I hope that this is useful for you. God bless you. Jesus love you.